Good morning, students. In previous video, we have seen how is the drainage of India. Especially Indian drainage is classified in two types: Himalayan drainage and peninsular rivers. So today's video we will see the next type of drainage, peninsular rivers. Especially today also I would like to explain what is meant by peninsula. You know that our India is a peninsula. Why we call India is a peninsula? Because our India is occupied by three side water. In the east side there is a Bay of Bengal, in the west side there is the Arabian Sea, and in south side Indian Oceans. So in the previous video we have seen those rivers originate from the Himalayan mountain. Some rivers flows toward the west side, some river flows toward the east side. Especially we have seen Ganga, Ganga and its tributaries, they flows toward the east side, and Sindhu rivers and their tributaries, they flows toward the west side, and especially they meet Arabian Sea, and those river flows toward the east side, they meet to the Bay of Bengal. So dear student, in this today's video we will see which are the peninsular rivers. The peninsular river systems can further divide into east flowing. They also divide into two types: east flowing rivers and west flowing rivers. Do you know east flowing rivers? They will meet in the Bay of Bengal, and those rivers are west flowing, they will meet in the Arabian Sea. The Western Ghat from the major water divide from the peninsula. So Western Ghat, Pachim Ghat बोलते हैं उसको, it is a water divide from the peninsula, because due to the western, means we can say that Western Ghat is an obstacle. Due to the Western Ghats, they change their source of water. They change the source of water, and especially they change their directions. The peninsular rivers, being rain-fed rivers, seldom face the problem of flood. So due to the peninsular rivers, rain-fed rivers, that's why due to the, you can say, high flood, due to the, you can say, heavy rainfall, they seldom face the problem of flood. मतलब जो रिवर्स पेनिनसुला प्लेटो है, वहाँ से जो बहती है, वहाँ से उसका ओरिजिन होता है, उसको भी कभी कभी क्या आता है, फ्लड आता है, उसको बाढ़ आती है. दे आर सीजनल इन नेचर, बट दे आर नॉट, वी हैव सीन द पेरेनियल्स, दे आर सीजनल, वो सीजनल्स है, ड्यू टू द हेवी रेनफॉल इन द मानसून, और यू कैन सी इन द रेनी सीजन, उसको रेनी सीजन में ही कभी कभी क्या आता है, बाढ़ आता है. The west flowing rivers occupying the area between Western Ghat and Arabian coastline, or means those rivers are, you can say, west flowing rivers. We have seen the west flowing rivers, they meet in Arabian Sea. That's why they occupying the area between Western Ghat. Which area they occupied? Western Ghat area, जो पश्चिम घाट का area, all this area they occupied, and the Arabian coastline are short in length but sweep, and the Arabian coastline, और जो अरेबियन सी है उसका जो कोस्ट लाइन है, और शॉर्ट इन लेंथ, उसकी जो लेंथ है वो भी एरिया उन्होंने ऑक्यूपाई किया है. दिस कंडीशन ऑफ शॉर्ट एंड स्विफ्ट रिवर सिस्टम्स एग्जिस्ट द स्टेट ऑफ केरला, कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र एंड साउथर्न गुजरात. सो दिस rivers means those river origin from the, you can say, Pachim Ghat, or those river are the west flowing rivers, they occupied the area of, due to the short and swift rivers, they are very swift, they also occupy the state in our Maharashtra, in our India, which state of Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and southern Gujarat. All these means those states are near the coast line of Arabian Sea. But we understood, means those state of India is located near the coastline of Arabian Sea. All this area, these peninsular rivers occupied the whole area. Further northward, one comes across the river system flowing the Gulf of Kambat. So in the northward, in the north side of peninsula, उस पेनिनसुला का जो नॉर्थ एरिया है, उत्तरी भाग है, वहाँ पे देयर इज सिस्टम्स अक्रॉस द रिवर सिस्टम फ्लोइंग द गल्फ ऑफ खम्बाट। ओके, वहाँ पे गल्फ ऑफ खम्बाट है। ओके, दीज रिवर सिस्टम्स आर, वहाँ पे कौन कौन सी रिवर्स वहाँ पे ज्वाइन होती है? तापी, नर्मदा, माही एंड साबरमती। ओके, तापी, नर्मदा, माही एंड साबरमती। ओके, ऑल these rivers okay cross the north area from the Gulf of Khambat, okay, and they meet there. Tapi and Narmada flows slowly through the Rift Valley. Tapi and Narmada, okay, these two rivers flows very slowly, and from the Rift Valley, Mahi river flow from the northeast to southwest direction, whereas river Sabarmati collect the headwater from the southern slope of Aravalli range, flows in the north-south directions. So dear students, Mahi river flows from the northeast to the southwest. ये जो माही रिवर्स है वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट से बह के स्टार्ट होके कहाँ तक बहती है? वो साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन होके, वेयर एज रिवर साबरमती। और जो साबरमती रिवर है इट कलेक्टिंग द हेड वाटर्स फ्रॉम द साउथर्न स्लोप ऑफ अरवली रेंज। ओके, जो अरवली रेंज है, ओके, अरवली रेंज, अरवली माउंटेन्स है, ओके, आके ओके दे कलेक्ट द ऑल दिस हेड वाटर्स एंड फ्लो इन द समवॉट नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन, एंड नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन में उसका फ्लोज रहता है। अनदर नोटवर्दी रिवर्स फ्रॉम द कैचमेंट ऑफ अरेबियन सीज रिवर इज लूनी। सो नेक्स्ट रिवर इज लूनी। Okay, it originates along the western slope of Aravalli range, and this Luni rivers originate from the Aravalli mountain, or you can say Aravalli range. Aravalli range से उसका उगम, उसका origin होता है, and flows somewhat northwest to southeast direction, and the Luni river flows which side? From the northwest. Listen carefully, from the northwest to southeast direction, and flows into the Gulf of Kutch. And where sea flows into the Gulf of Kutch. कहाँ पे बहती है वो? Gulf of Kutch. Okay, जैसे कि as we have seen, तापी, नर्मदा, माही and साबरमती, okay, all these river flows toward the Gulf of Khambat. Okay, just like this Luni river, okay, flows into the Gulf of Kutch. So okay, dear students, we have seen peninsular rivers also divided into two types: east flowing rivers and west flowing rivers. So we have seen west flowing rivers, okay, they will meet in the which directions, or we can say in which oceans? Bay of Bengal. And west flowing rivers, okay, they will meet in the Arabian Sea. So okay, all these are so okay, today is for all this. So okay, I hope you will understood very well. Okay, next video we will see next part of this lesson. Thank you.